Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Friday 23rd of September with me, Richard Market Analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And we had that strong bear candle on Wednesday on the back of both the BOJ and the Fed moves. Big strong move to the downside. It certainly looks like we're going to put pressure once again back on that 100 big figure level. Yesterday we had the reaction low 100 spot at 0.7. I don't see why that would be the end of the weakness on dollar yen. Seems to be gravitating towards a test of the 100 big figure level time and time again. Although the that support, you could argue, continues to rebuff the bears, but you would argue that the medium to longer term outlook still remains very negative, holding onto that downtrend channel. You've broken back below the 100 spot 18 support, or around 101 100 spot 20, sorry, 101 spot 20, and yesterday's or today's high 101.24 again suggests that the bulls are not really able to push this one forward. Here we go. You see the better view of that sort of old support becomes new resistance, and again that seems to have been the case this morning. Unwinding the move on the momentum indicators on the bear move. So you've got the MACD lines which have unwound towards neutral, turning over again. The stochastics have especially sort of fallen back lower. So this this sort of resistance around 101.18, between 101 sort of 20, I suppose you'd say 101.50, which is this these sort of lows here. So all this overhead supply from the buyers that came in at these levels, coming back in to sort of sell out again, will be a preventative to any sort of recovery on dollar yen, and the outlook certainly would suggest that is to be the case. You're sort of broken down from this range. You could argue you could measure that range, so that's what 210, 220 ticks of downside. Again, you'd be looking at sort of 99 figure area, and what is 99 figure area? That is the spike low around about that that Brexit or in the reaction to Brexit, 99.08. So the prospect of a retest of all these lows and possible further downside still remains. I think 100 big figure level is still a big psychological level on dollar yen, and you can't deny that it does seem to be that the support is still holding. So you'd certainly want to see some sort of confirmation of a breakdown. But that doesn't necessarily mean that I don't think the market won't still gravitate towards it, because I think it will. I think it will be tested at some stage again in the coming days. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen, selling into strength, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.